In this video, I'll show you how to create an isometric design in Adobe Illustrator. First, draw a straight line. Then hold Alt and Shift and drag it to make a copy. Now press Control or Command on Mac and D to duplicate it multiple times. Next, select all lines, right-click, choose Rotate, set the angle to 60 degrees, and click Copy. Right-click again, select Reflect, and choose Copy. Now, select everything, pick the Shape Builder tool, and add fill colors to start designing like this. And there we go. Next, pick the Magic Wand tool and click on the design. Then right-click and choose Cut. Select any unwanted lines and delete them by pressing the Delete key on your keyboard. Right-click again and choose Paste in Front. Scale it up, turn off the stroke color, and then apply colors like this. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more.